Before you buy your next suya tonight, you need to watch this first because what you don't know about suya might shock you. I am pretty sure you don't want to miss the last one, so stay tuned. Suya is one of the most loved street food in Nigeria. The smell alone can make you forget your problems. But the real question is suya actually healthy? Or we are just enjoying it blindly? Let's start from the beginning. Suya originally comes from the northern part of Nigeria, especially among the Hausa people. It is traditionally made by grilling thin slices of meat, usually beef, over an open flame. But what makes suya special? It's not just the meat. It's a spice called yaji. Yaji is made from ground peanuts, garlic, ginger, pepper, and other secret spice. That's why suya have that smoky, juicy, spicy, unforgettable taste. Let's be honest, suya eats differently. It's smoky, juicy, spicy, and very satisfying. Plus, it's affordable and easy to find at night. That's why for so many people, suya is not just food, it's a whole experience. Now, let's talk about the real issue. Suya actually has some benefits. It's high protein, it helps to repair your body. The spice like ginger and garlic helps like support digestion. But here's the problem that comes in. Suya is actually grilled over an open fire. And when it burns too much, it produces harmful substance. Also, the smoke that comes from the fire is not healthy. Another thing is, some suya contains excess oil and pepper, and this can upset your stomach. This one, not all suya spots are clean. Dust, dirt, flies, even handlings can affect your health. Another point I have here is salt level. We all know that too much salt is not good for your heart. So, suya is not bad. It depends on how it's been prepared and how often you eat it. Moderation is key. So next time you're craving for that suya, just remember it's okay to enjoy it, but don't let it control you. So, would you still eat suya after this? Be honest. Curse, I know I will. So my friends, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content like this. I will see you on my next. Bye.